Boy, he holding that damn car, boy. He dangerous, boy. I think he still be on the gas after the finish line. It ain't that much room. Yeah, it ain't that much room. True street guys. Get in lanes 1 and 2. Yeah, Brent sending that thing. You better freaking send it. Attention in the pits. Hell yeah. I'm ready. To my drink, man. Yeah, I'm ready.
Hey, how much I owe you? Wait, you owe me 20, then 15, so 90, right?
Hell no.
Huh?
I don't remember owing 20.
What you mean? Yesterday you stole 20 from me.
Oh yeah.
Yo, and there's a fee with that.
Sure did. I sure did get that 20 from his ass.
With that.
Hey, Duplicate. Duplicate say I'm doing a freaking great job. Keep it up. And he sent me an extra 10. Look out. He sent me an extra 10, fool.
Hey, he fucked.
Yeah. Boy, that motherfucker there wild as all know what. Oh yeah, don't forget my hats when I leave. Who said that cold walls be looking out? Let me go put them up now here since ain't nobody talking about them. Put these on up in the car now. Look out, look out. Wow, look out. Where a blonde at? I ain't seen no blonde. Where a blonde at, man? Hey! Look out. Now this a good race. Let me get this first, y'all. I got the hat. I'm finna get this. I got more. Okay. That ain't it. Lala Bean, appreciate the shirt. 706 Brock. Get off of it. He hit the scramble button and everything. Okay. My love, you 100. Where the hell you done came from?
It ain't a bar.
Oh, man. Come on, baby. Please. That motherfucker got a shortage. Damn. I hope he cruise on down through there. Oh, the battery was there. Okay. Full pass or what? Okay, full pass, y'all. Coming up. 100% full pass.
Lock it in 100.
Right lane.
Lock it in 100.
Right lane, full pass, y'all. Okay.
Them all-wheel drives ain't nothing.
Okay. Okay, full pass. I got hats right here, man. See, I got the one for you. You said 7.5? Yeah. No thin is red. No tango. Ain't red. Black. Flat. Oh, nuh-uh. I love it. Check my TikTok. What's going on over here on TikTok? Everybody keep talking about they want to see a dude in a wheelchair race. Why y'all want to see them people race? Leave them people in the wheelchairs alone. They'll probably be offended if they figured out that you wanted them to race.
Don't get after it. Just come out and go to the track. And then go after it. But he has nothing wrong around right now.
Oh, they finna ban me?